In your consumer news, for the average consumer just trying to plan a budget, the past few weeks has been a lot to sort through, from dramatic market ups and downs to tariff confusion. A new survey shows the economic chaos is stoking consumer pessimism. Karen Kaifa has a look at why that matters.
Americans feel uneasy about the economy, according to a closely watched monthly survey from the University of Michigan. The pessimism driven in part by consumer expectations that inflation will push higher by the end of the year.
When prices go up, sort of by definition, people buy less. And when they buy less and there's less demand, and you see this decline in consumer and investor sentiment.
The University of Michigan, which conducted its consumer sentiment interviews prior to President Trump's announcement of a 90-day pause on some tariffs, says trade war developments have turned consumers more sour on the economy, with the expectation that unemployment will rise as well. Wild swings in the stock market will likely persist too, strategists say, unless there's more certainty around the tariffs.
It's going to be very difficult for the markets to find any stability unless and until we get to a place where some of the negotiations turn into some trade deals.
Both Wall Street and the Federal Reserve will be watching to see how consumer pessimism and market anxiety impact consumer spending, which drives about 70% of the U.S. economic engine.
Volatility is here to stay. The market isn't going directly down, doesn't seem to be going directly up. A lot of ups and downs each day. And that means diversification in your portfolio is more important than ever.
Coming up at 6 on Mindful Monday, hear from a local financial expert about creating a tariff-proof budget for your family. And a lunchbox warning as you head out the door this morning. Check your fridge and freezer for market-side celery sticks from Walmart. They could be contaminated with dangerous listeria bacteria. Duda Farm Fresh Foods is recalling more than 1,500 cases of the 4-pack ready-to-eat sticks sold across multiple states, including Wisconsin and Iowa. If you have these, throw them out immediately. Today, a mega lawsuit kicks off that could decide the fate of Meta, the Federal Trade Commission, accusing billionaire Mark Zuckerberg's company of stifling competition with its purchases of Instagram and WhatsApp. Meta says the purchases were necessary to compete with other popular apps like TikTok and YouTube. Federal prosecutors want the Facebook parent company to spin off Instagram and WhatsApp. And with egg prices still cracking budgets, Jet Puffed Marshmallows is offering a fluffy alternative for families. Their new Dip and Decorate dozen kit includes extra large marshmallows, 6 colors, mini tongs, and decorating pens, all for just $2. The kits are selling exclusively on Walmart's website and being restocked daily as families hunt for affordable Easter traditions.